So this is all the instructions you get. So like I said, they aren't that great, but you know, anybody that's mechanically inclined, it's very simple. It's a very easy process to do. But if you have any questions, maybe my video will help you out a little bit. Alrighty. Well, good afternoon on this sunny, wintry day. We're here in Spearfish, South Dakota, and I'm gonna put max air vent guards on this guy. However, this guy didn't show up, so we're gonna come you over here and show you how to put it on this guy. I do apologize, I always forget to video as I'm installing. So this guy here is the max air cover. It's helped keep the rain out. That way you can leave this vent open if you're ever gone. You don't have to worry about the rain coming in. Mounts super easy. All stainless steel. Get a couple carriage bolts, screws, with some nuts on the inside. You can see here. Basically, I set this guy down on top. I took a Sharpie and I marked out these 4 holes here and then back over here. Now when you're putting this on, have this vent, well, it definitely helps if you have 2 people, because you want it all the way open to get to these back nuts on the inside. And these carriage bolts here just kind of slide back and forth until you get it set in. If you have 2 people, it makes it a lot easier to adjust this up and down. You cannot have it all the way open. It's about 7/8, and so it's almost all the way open when you're putting the cover over it. So basically, like I said, you can see that this is pre-set up. I'm going to set this on a tripod real quick, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so pretty simple. You need a ratchet 7/16. That's to fasten down the nuts on top of your L brackets here. I used 11/64 drill bit to drill through the aluminum of the housing for the cover, and then you can use just a screw shooter or Phillips screwdriver to tighten down the insides. So after you have it lined up, basically you just kind of slide it over your bolts. It kind of all lines up nice and neat. Hopefully you guys can see that. Take your lock washer, your stainless steel nut, and you just go around and fasten it down. It's pretty simple, straightforward. The instructions just pretty much tell you, well, if it has a mount on it already, you can use these pins, or you have to drill a hole. It didn't even tell you to drill a hole. It just says use the included hardware to fasten it down. So, just like anything else, you'll want to use a cross pattern on it. There you go. Pretty simple, easy to do, and there you go. So this is what it looks like from the inside, with the cover in place. As you can see, there's the back of it with the filtration, and you get pretty much full coverage of that vent all the way open. Pretty simple. Alrighty guys, well that was the Max Air cover installation. Don't forget to like, feel free to comment, and most importantly, please subscribe. Happy Tales RVing. Have a good day. Bye-bye.